gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina right here, and I'm super excited to be on the line with you tonight because I get the chance to share with you how I was able to self-repair my credit. And so you may not know who I am, but my name is Sabrina Wright. I live right here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm a wife, I'm a mother, and serial entrepreneur, ladies and gentlemen. And so I was one of those people that, I thought that I could take a shortcut to fix my credit, but believe me, you can't, right? I tried a company called Lexington Law that I paid over $1,000 for that did not move my credit, not 1 point, all right? And so then I started getting into learning and meeting new people who told me, oh girl, I can add some trade lines to your account. I can add some CPNs to your account. Let me tell you something, that is bull crap, all right? Do not go for that. Right? And so there are some good people who will fix your credit. But let me tell you my issue with that. You have to give all of your business, your social security number, your credit information. Some people have a password on their social security number due to fraud in previous years or whatever. And so you have to give that information to the person that is fixing your credit. And so I didn't personally want to do that because I believe that the same person that can help me fix it is the same person that can go back and use my information. So I just wanted to trust myself. And besides that, ladies and gentlemen, I truly believe that this credit information is an education that we need to know. My parents never told me about credit. They messed my credit up, but they didn't tell me how to fix it. They didn't even tell me anything about it. So I got on my own and was trying to get an apartment, credit cards, and things of that nature. And so, ladies and gentlemen, you want to have credit education. You want to have financial education, period. And so I tried several different things that did not work. And so I tried this system with myEcon that shows you how to self-repair your credit. So I tried this system and it works, right? And so I want to just dive in now to show you guys exactly what myEcon is all about. myEcon is a personal financial success system. It shows you how to eliminate debt. It shows you how to fill out the W-4 form, which is a form, if you have a job, that will allow you to get $200 to $800 back into your paycheck. It's going to show you how to invest in different things to get an 8% annual back into your account on your money. I call that multiplying your money, which most traditional banks do not do. Most traditional banks give you a 0.01% on your own money. But myEcon shows you how you can put your money into an investment account. But right now, I want to show you this video is strictly about credit. I will do some more videos about the income shifting, debt elimination, and all the other stuff. But right now, we're going to talk about how to self-repair your credit. And so I'm just going to log in into myEcon right now. I'm going to share my screen here so you guys can see what it talks about. And so this is called the 750 credit plan, right? And so this just shows you the introduction of the membership, right? It walks you straight through on what you need to do. And then module 1, oh, that was module 1. Module 2, it tells you to request a free copy of your credit report. It'll give you some things to do. I'll just tell you 2 of them real quick. If you have a bank account, you can pull a free credit report from your bank account. If you have credit, you can go to creditkarma.com and pull a free credit report. And so you need to know what's on your credit in order to fix your credit, correct? Right. So this shows you how to do it. And it shows you how to get credit monitoring and credit scores, how credit monitoring and credit scores work. So this is just the educational part here, ladies and gentlemen. Then module 2. Module 2 talks about how to, back into number 2. Let me go to 3. Module 3 shows how to read your credit report. So you pulled your credit report. Now you want to figure out how to read it and how to mark and rank what you plan to dispute. So when you get your credit report, you want to put some marks and show what you plan on disputing so you know how to move forward, right? Then we have module 4. It shows you how to dispute things. It tells you the difference between disputing things online versus certified mail. And I don't know about you guys, but I've tried disputing things online and it does not work. It does not work. And so it tells you why here. It also shows you how to mail the dispute letters. It has the addresses for Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion right here. So moving to module 5, which is my favorite, because how to remove negative payment history. I wasn't the best person managing my money. I paid a lot of bills late. And so I had a lot of payment negative history on my account, which is now it's 100%. But as you can see that this is 35% of your scores on how you pay your bill. And so the beautiful thing about it is that you can dispute it right here, ladies and gentlemen. It gives you the exact instructions on how to dispute. So it tells you each letter is to be duplicated 3 times, addressed separately to each of the 3 main credit bureaus, which is Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. It tells you that you got to have a driver license and a state ID. You need 2 forms of ID, a bank or credit union statement, a canceled check, a government issued ID, signed letter from home and shelter, stamp post office box, utility bills, pay stubs. So if you ever lived in a shelter, then you just need a letter showing it right here. If you want to show proof of your resident, you need a utility bill or a pay stub. And it just tells you it's extremely important to send the correct forms of ID, or it will be on pause. You will be waiting a long time. You want to go ahead and get a quick response. And so here is dispute letter 1. All you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, is plug and play. Copy and paste it into a Word document, or simply print it out and key in your information. And so it has dispute letter 1, dispute letter 2, dispute letter 3, dispute letter 4. So you can dispute all 4 times if you like, right? So here are the dispute letters. And what I love, ladies and gentlemen, what I love, let me stop this. I want you to see my face with this because I love this. What I love about this is that you have dispute letters that are already made for you. Most people have to create their own letters. Most companies create their own letters, determining who they're dealing with. But what I love about myEcon is that they use the same letters because they know that they work. When you send these letters in to the credit bureau, it is not a real person who is reading these letters. These letters are going through a computer-generated system. And so on these letters are keywords that the automatic system recognizes at the credit bureau. And once they recognize these keywords, the keywords is what get your credit history, utilization, tax liens, whatever, removed from your credit report. So please do not alter or do not change anything about these letters. All you need to do is put in your personal information, your name, date of birth, social security number, where you live, and the credit that you're disputing. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, do not alter or change the dispute letters. They're there for you for a reason because they work, right? And so let me just share my screen some more with you here so you guys can see. Moving along here, it shows you how to remove tax liens, how to remove medical collections, how to remove more of your medical collections, when to use a goodwill letter. Now, it may be some things on your credit report that you do want to pay off. So here is a goodwill letter for you. You want to use this letter. It's already prepared for you. So we say plug and play. I call it plug and play. Plug your information, mail it off. We playing. We playing with the game. They dished out to us. Okay. When to use a pay for delete letter. So this here shows when you want to just pay it and it's remain on your credit report. You want to pay it and delete it. So this is some more information for you. I love it because this is education that you need, ladies and gentlemen. This is education that you need. Okay, module 6. How to lower credit utilization. Reduce your credit card debt with income shifting. Income shifting is another thing that we'll talk about, but you have to look for an income shifting video. After we finish this one, I have one on my page that you can see, but you'll be able to watch that one here. So Module 7 is how to increase your length of credit history. Some people don't have a whole lot of credit. So this will explain to you how to increase your credit history. And now, if you are renting, how to build your credit paying your rent. This is huge. Most people think they have to have a mortgage or something, but you can actually report your rent paying. Just simply read right here. How to add new trade lines, all right? That's there for your information. Module 8, the proper way to apply for new credit. A lot of us do things online or whatever. Read this. Watch this video. It's going to show you how to properly apply for new credit. It's going to show you what is a soft inquiry versus a hard inquiry. Ladies and gentlemen, I use this system to remove unauthorized inquiries on my credit report. And my credit report, my points on my credit went up 50 points. So the utilization, the hard inquiries, they had to be 25 points apiece. And I don't know about you guys, but 50 points is huge. If you have a 700, that's a 750 easily. If you have a 550, that's a 600 easily. So you want to make sure that you're looking at the hard inquiries. Now, the checking for credit mixture. This shows you the different types of accounts that add, different points on your record. So you want to know about those things. How to check your dispute. So once you have disputed some things on your credit report, you want to learn how to check it. If you get 30 days with no response, it has a letter right here for you that you can simply mail in. Plug and play, ladies and gentlemen, plug and play. So if you get 30 days with no response, there it is. What to do when disputes are not removed. So this here shows you the information on what to do when they haven't removed it and you know that it should be removed. The method of verification right there. And that's 10A. And then we down to the income shifting. Like I said, that's another video, but it's to give you a brief description is that if you work a job and you fill out a W-4 form, this form will show you how to fill it out correctly to get you back $200 to $800 back from your employer on your paycheck. All right. This shows that 80% of taxpayers overpay in taxes. So we call that income shifting, but we will get back with that another time, ladies and gentlemen. This video is simply about increasing your credit score, right? And so that is the system that I use, which is called myEcon. It has everything in your office. This system, ladies and gentlemen, is $47.90 one time. This is a one-time payment. Did you hear what I just said? You're going to pay $47.90 one time. That's less than $50 to get you some credit information, education, right? No need for you to pay anybody thousands of dollars to help you fix your credit. You can do it for less than $50 with this system, with letters that are already written up for you. So all you have to do is plug and play, right? Take them to the post office, get a certified letter, and mail them off and wait, right? And so I'm excited about this information because this is something that even my parents are able to use. They are in credit card debt. They want to pay out their mortgage, faster, right? And so this is the information that I get to give back to my community, to my people that like and love me and trust me. And so this is some information that I get to share with the world that I did not get. And so now that I have this information, ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking forward to having an 850 credit score, which I am well on my way. If you haven't noticed that I just opened up a juice bar. I flipped houses. I just bought 2 brand new vehicles. And so I was able to do it using myEcon personal financial success system, right? And so I'm just sharing this with you guys. You don't have to use it. But a lot of people ask me, hey, what is the credit repair system all about? It's about self-repairing your credit. You use this to self-repair your credit, right? And so you may be asking, how long does it take? As long as it takes you to say yes to get the system. As soon as you say yes to clicking on the link below this video, and get in the system, going through the modules like I just did, mailing the letters, then that is how quickly your credit will change. It depends on you, my friends. It depends on you. And so this system was about myEcon credit repair system. Click the link below the video to get the system. You can